Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of internal medicine is the treatment of prostate cancer. This topic, which is the treatment of prostate cancer, we will cover it in 5 sections. In the first section, we will discuss the treatment of localized prostate cancer, clinically localized prostate cancer. And this is done by the nomograms, treatment-related adverse events, and also radical prostatectomy. So all that in first section, which will be for the clinically localized prostate cancer. We can do the nomograms, then the treatment-related adverse events which can occur during the treatment of localized prostate cancer, and also radical prostatectomy. Then in the second section, we will discuss the radiation therapy, pre-radiotherapy, neoadjuvant hormone therapy, and also short and long-term hormone therapy for the prostate cancer. In the third section, we will discuss the method of treatment known as brachytherapy. Then we will talk about the active surveillance, looking over the prostate cancer and how we can control. Prostate-specific antigen after definitive therapy. So all that in the third section. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about the overview, testosterone-lowering agents and anti-androgens, and also intermittent androgen deprivation therapy. And fifth section, we will talk about castrate metastatic disease. What's the overview? What is castrate metastatic disease? Chemotherapy and new agents used for castrate metastatic disease, and also the pain management associated with the castrate metastatic disease. So all these different treatment options available for the prostate cancer we will discuss in our today's lecture. Prostate cancer is the common cancer in men, and we already discussed in one of our previous lecture all the details associated with the prostate cancer, different types, pathology, pathogenesis. So now today we will focus on the treatment of the prostate cancer. So keep watching sqadia.com to learn about the treatment for the prostate cancer.